Hi guys, my name is Raza Rajwani. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your development environment on Windows to use React Native and Android Studio. Let's go start. Open the Google Chrome and download the latest version of Node.js from the Node.js org website. I recommend you install the LTS version. Okay, install it. Next, I create. It will ask me about the location. Next, okay, next, then next, and install. Okay, finish. Then we have to install the Java development kit for Windows. Let us search JDK 1.8, the first one. Okay, we have to install Windows 64, this one. Okay, download. Okay, then it will redirect to the Oracle account page. Then you have to enter your account detail. Okay, it is successfully downloaded. Okay, let's open this file and install this Java SDK. Then next. Okay, next. Okay, close. Okay, it's successfully installed. Then we have to go to the C program files, Java JDK 1.8 that we have installed now. Okay, and then we have to copy this path. Then environment variables. Okay, select the path, edit, and new. You have to paste this location there. Okay, okay, okay. Now we will install the Android Studio. We have to open the Google Chrome and search the Android Studio. Okay, the first official link. Okay, we have to click on it, and then we have to install the download Android Studio. Then you have to click on this and you have to click on download Android Studio. It's downloading. It's downloaded successfully. Then you have to run this setup, run as administrator. Okay, then you have to click on next button. Next, it will ask you about the location. The default location I will choose. Install. Okay, setup has been completed successfully. Then you have to click next, start Android Studio. Then it will ask you to download the necessary components. You have to click next, then next. Okay, finish. Okay, it's done. You have to click on finish. Now we have to open the Sdk Manager through the Android Studio. Then you have to click on configure, then Sdk Manager. For the React Native, we have to install this Marshmallow 6.0.23. Then click on SDK Tools. We have to install Android Auto API Simulator, Autodesk Emulator, Platform, Google Play Services, Google USB driver, Google Web driver. Okay, then we have to click OK, apply. Okay, then you have to click accept, next. So it's downloading all the SDK and the tools that we have selected there. Okay, it's done. Click finish button. Okay, open the Android Studio. We will add the new Android virtual device there. Okay, you have to go to the AVD manager, create new. Okay, select next, then click on x86. You will find Marshmallow. Yes, you have to click download. It will take time. Okay, then you have to click on finish button. Now you have to select this marshmallow, then click next button. Okay, then enter the name like my everyday. Next. Okay, finish. We can test by clicking on play button. Now you can see your Android virtual device has been successfully configured. Okay, so you can use this application. Now we will install the React Native CLI and create the first project. Okay, open the cmd command. Then you have to enter npm install dash global React Native CLI. Finally, you can create your first React Native application by running this command react-native init hello world. Okay, it will take time to install. Okay, it is done. Now you have to open the editor. Either you can use the Visual source code or Sublime text. Then we have to open this project, open folder. I just copy the path. Okay, I have to select this folder. Okay, then we have to click on a new terminal. Okay, this is our project that we have created now. Okay, React Native dash Android. That's all. I hope you can enjoy your first React Native app. Let me know if you have any question or if these steps did not work for you. I hope this tutorial was useful and helping you to set up the React Native development environment. Please support my hard work by liking this video and share with others, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you very much.